So you're trying to get 4,000 hours or 10 million views on your YouTube channel to be monetized. So what is better, a long video or should you make a short video? So I will tell you in this video today. So what I will say is, the longer a video is getting watched, the more YouTube will recommend it. So no matter the size of the video, you want to make sure that the people are trying to watch your video as long as possible. So don't make it boring from start to the end. Always have new facts in it. You want to try and aim for 50% or more, and that will be great. You will then get recommended to a lot of people. And what I will say about if you're trying to decide whether the length of your video, I will say if you're trying to make a documentary or a high quality video, I will try and aim for the longer time period, as it will mean people watch it to the end, so it doesn't matter about viewer durations stopping. And then if you're doing a tutorial or something easy, I'd make that shorter, because you just want people to find out what you're going to do. And also, if you are doing a longer video and it gets the same views as one of your shorter videos, expect that you will see that you've made more in that longer video, as more ads can then be playing in your video. And finally, in my opinion, I prefer an 8 to 10 minute video. You may have a different opinion, but I think that's a good amount of time. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. And maybe if you are interested in learning more about making your own YouTube channel grow, there is a link in the description to an online course. It is quite expensive, but it is worth it. And if you want to watch another one of my videos, it will be very much appreciated. And goodbye.